Hello, my fellow audience. And in case you were wondering, that is not wine, that is grape juice. I chose the appropriate beverage for my 12-year-old self. Anyways, today's episode will be about... I'm sure you read the title card already. We're gonna read a love story passed down through many generations by straight whips. Pichu, the story wasn't really passed down for generations. You made that story up just for this episode. Pretend it's real, you lunatic!
Emergency warning. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Severe thunderstorms are approaching towards England, UK. And if you live in England, please stay safe from the thunderstorms. We hope you really enjoy your patience.